the jury sits, will they be shown these tapes?
100%.
Will they have to watch it in court? Like during
100% in court in front of a room of people. And so that's the other thing that's awful. They are going to be watching basically for hours on end in front of people. So in front of victim one, whoever it may be, there's going to be played in the federal courtroom.
And victim one would have been made aware of this.
Oh, 100%. She's probably being told right now, like, this is going to be played in open court. Your sex history, your sex life is going to be talked about in open court. All of this.
And presumably then she knows that and she's pushing forward because she hasn't withdrawn.
But don't forget this. It doesn't matter if she does or she doesn't. This isn't a civil case. This is the criminal case. So she could flat out tell the federal government, I don't want to participate. And they can say, we don't care. This is a crime. Crimes are against the United States, not against them. Keep calling her victim one, but don't forget, she's a witness to a crime. So it doesn't matter. She went to them in today and said, I'm not participating. Their response, we don't care. Get your ass on the stand.
There is a mountain of evidence against Diddy right now, and most of the people who agreed to testify anonymously only did it because they knew they were on the tapes. Allegedly, hundreds of people were interviewed until the prosecutors were sure they could win. The district attorney for the Southern District of New York has a 97% win ratio. This trial is going to be an uphill battle for Diddy, and his lawyers know this.
The allegations implicate dozens of unidentified witnesses and alleged co-conspirators around the world, and some of the key witnesses to the supposed incidents are dead, basically meaning how can we defend against it? The defense is not even permitted to share the identities of the individuals described in the disclosure letter with Mr. Combs until April 18th, further hampering defense counsel's ability to investigate. Collectively, these new allegations require many months, if not years, to investigate, and if admitted, would require a series of mini-trials certain to double the length of a trial the government originally said would last 3 weeks. So this is an explosive allegation that on its face, I don't know if I necessarily disagree with. If they are bringing in evidence of uncharged conduct, wouldn't the defense have an opportunity to investigate it and challenge it? It seems like they're making a point. So if this evidence is allowed in, there is a chance this could delay the trial significantly. We all know Combs wants to go to trial, but how can he properly defend himself against this in just a few weeks?
To top it all off, Cassie isn't backing down either, and she is the only one who is going to testify with her name. Cassie dated Diddy for 11 years, and if she reveals what she saw during those 11 years, Diddy has no chance of escaping.
All right, Cassie, she plans to testify against Diddy at the trial, and she's going to use her name. So a lot of the women who have accused Diddy are anonymous. They're right. Jane Doe or Victim One.
Or John Does.
Or John Does. But Cassie, allegedly, apparently, is going to take the stand and talk about her... obviously, that tape of him beating her up at the hotel is what set off this whole thing. You know what I mean? Like, this has just made it matters so bad for Diddy. So now that she is going to sit up there and, like, look him square in the eyes and talk about her side of the story, that's not great for Diddy, obviously.
No, and, like, I think also Cassie is a celebrity, right? Like, millennials know who she was or is. She had, like, a booming career back in the day. So I think it also adds some extra zhuzh when you have, like, a well-known public figure coming forward.
Trusted
and beloved,
yeah,
too. So I think that also will hurt him. She, of course, became public. All of this went public when that video came out from CNN. So it's been revealed who she is already, and now she is not looking to conceal her name. She wants to, put it all out on the table. And yeah, yikes, it could be really bad for him.
The evidence against Diddy is so damning that his lawyers are quitting. They aren't going to stick around if they know they can't win. Diddy had been with law firm Grubman, Shire, Mycelas, and Sachs for over 20 years, and after the federal lawsuit was filed against him, they dropped him as a client. They know they can't win, and they aren't willing to go down with Diddy.